To transfer to Wealthfront Robo-Advisor, start by opening a new account on the Wealthfront website or mobile app. Click on the Get Started button and select the type of account you want to open, such as an individual or joint investment account. Follow the prompts to enter your personal and financial information, including your name, address, and social security number. Next, fund your new Wealthfront account by transferring money from your bank account or other investment accounts. You can do this by linking your external account to Wealthfront and initiating a transfer. Wealthfront also offers a service to help you transfer investments from other brokerages, which can be a convenient option if you have existing investments elsewhere. To initiate the transfer, log into your Wealthfront account and navigate to the Transfer Funds section. Select the type of transfer you want to make, such as a bank transfer or brokerage transfer, and follow the instructions to complete the transfer. You can also contact Wealthfront's customer support team for assistance with the transfer process. It is essential to note that transferring investments from another brokerage may take several days to complete, and you may be subject to fees or penalties for early withdrawal. Before initiating the transfer, review your existing accounts to ensure you understand any potential fees or restrictions. Once your account is funded, Wealthfront will invest your money according to your selected portfolio, which is based on your investment goals and risk tolerance. The Wealthfront Robo-Advisor offers a range of investment portfolios, including tax-loss harvesting and socially responsible investing options. To get the most out of your Wealthfront account, make sure to take advantage of the platform's features, such as automatic dividend reinvestment and tax-efficient investing. You can also monitor your account activity and adjust your investment portfolio as needed to ensure it remains aligned with your financial goals. By following these steps and taking advantage of Wealthfront's features, you can easily transfer to the Wealthfront Robo-Advisor and start investing for your future. Remember to always review and understand the terms and conditions of your account, including any fees or restrictions, to ensure you are making the most of your investment.